A secret weapon for today's interior design, Lux Lamp Shades offers chic pendant light shades that elevate any space. Those wanting an easy style upgrade love pendant light shades. Designers frequently choose pendant light shades to create an elegant effect in any setting. Lux Lamp Shades has a big selection. The idea of a pendant light is beautifully simple. It's a single bulb suspended in the air. This minimalist principle can make various design statements by directing concentrated light differently. A pendant light can be used in a bedroom to provide ambient lighting or replace a bedside lamp. In the dining room, a pendant light, or a set of them, above the dining table can be dimmed or brightened to match the mood. Pendant lights work in the kitchen or a kid's room as task lights. The simplicity is their superpower and a big reason that top design experts love using them. Of course, pendant light shades are essential to make the most of this feature. A warm fabric shade provides a completely different lighting ambience than a sleeker, more modern metal one. Lux Lamp Shades has a huge selection of pendant light shades that open up so many design possibilities for a space. Pendant lights first became popular after World War II for their simple, yet modern look. They were practical but beautiful and could be used in so many ways. In the 21st century, the understated style is making a big comeback. Designers turn to pendant lights with a unique pendant light shade to create a bold central focus in a room. Or, these lights can be styled to blend into the walls. A pendant light can replace a chandelier or highlight light pieces of artwork or other special objects. Pendant lights are also extremely energy efficient. Lux Lamp Shades offers a curated collection of pendant light shades to complement any interior. These well-crafted shades combine impeccable craftsmanship with accessible pricing. Lux creates their pendant light shades in styles that range from classic to modern. There's one that will elevate any kind of decor and provide an easy touch of affordable luxury. If you don't see what you're looking for, our craftsman can create a custom pendant light shade. Lux Lamp Shades invites homeowners and the design trade to explore our collection to find shades that blend timeless style and versatility. About Lux. In 2002, Lux Lamp Shades was born from a deep appreciation for the transformative power of light and a desire to create exquisite, custom-made lampshades that elevate any space's ambience. Founded by a team of lighting enthusiasts and design experts, our company has grown into a leading provider of personalized lighting solutions, catering to discerning customers and interior designers alike. Contact: Name: Robert Jones. Email: info@luxlampshades.com. Phone: 704-376-6213. Website: https://www.luxlampshades.com. Address: 1003B, Louise Avenue, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28205. Facebook: https://www.facebook.com with a real Lux Lampshades. Instagram: https://www.instagram.com/luxlampshades. YouTube: https://www.youtube.com/@luxlampshades8133. Twitter: https://x.com/lux_lampshades.